How's it going, everyone, and welcome to V2 Cloud Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to change the wallpaper for all your users at once. Note that this has to be done from your administrator instance. Step 1, use the Windows keyboard shortcut to open the run command. Type gpedit.msc and press enter. Step 2, select user configuration, then administrative templates, then desktop, and finally desktop. Double-click the desktop wallpaper policy on the right side. Step 3, select the enabled option, and then type the path of the image you want to set as a default background. Or you can also go to the image source and just copy and paste the address. Click Apply and OK. Use the Windows key or shortcut to open the run command and type CMD and press enter. Type GP update /force and hit enter. Step 5, sign out and connect to your cloud computer. Thank you for watching. Make sure to click the bell and subscribe button, and see you next time.